going to try to induce for you. Here we go. I think I'm gonna sneeze again. That's all I think I can get for now.